Hey Potters, it's Clay, your not-so-dusty studio buddy inside Glaizit. Quick question. How many sticky notes, phone photos, or napkin sketches have just vanished from your life? You know, those brilliant glaze ideas that don't always survive the chaos of a studio. Well, that's exactly why idea boards exist. Think of them as your digital pinup wall, minus the smudges, the lost scraps, and the mystery photos buried deep in your phone's gallery. Each board is like its own little studio corner, where you can collect, plan, and grow your ideas without losing track of them. From the Idea Boards tab, you'll see every board you've created, each one dedicated to a project or a spark of inspiration. Adding a new board is simple. Just tap the Add button, give it a title, maybe a description if you'd like, and drop in some images to set the mood. That's it. Your board is ready to roll. And here's the best part. They're private. Just you and your ideas, safe from curious studio visitors. Once you're inside a board, the floor is yours. This is where you start building your idea step by step. Maybe you add a note block, which is basically a digital sticky note, but smarter because the text you type is searchable. Toss in a few keywords or tags and future. You will thank you for it. No more muttering, I swear I wrote it somewhere. Or maybe your idea needs more than words. That's when you add a sketch block. With pencils, colors, erasers, and even a shape library, you can draw out that mug, bowl, or maybe even that weirdly wonderful vase you've been dreaming about. Your sketch is saved right there on your board with a title, so you can always come back and search for it later. And here's where it gets even cooler. You can add reference blocks. Let's say you spot a layering combo, a brand glaze, or a recipe you absolutely love while browsing Glaizit. Grab the share link, paste it into your board, and boom, you've got it saved as a reference. Or, if you're feeling fancy, just tap Add to Idea Board right from the glaze itself. Either way, it's instantly part of your project. Now, if you really want to take it further, you can even start a draft combo right inside your board. Glaizit pulls in the images, notes, and reference glazes you've already added and builds you a draft to start from. It won't be perfect, it's just a draft, but it saves you from re-entering everything from scratch. Think of it as your test kitchen for glaze experiments. And when you're ready to share, you can publish it out to the community. Of course, you can move your blocks around, reorder them, or delete the ones you don't need anymore. Just keep in mind, delete is permanent, kind of like dumping a glaze bucket down the sink. So now, instead of losing ideas to scraps of paper, mystery photos, or smudged notes, you've got a safe, organized, and searchable space where your ideas can actually grow. And here's my question for you. What's the very first thing you're going to pin to your idea board? Will it be a quick note about a new glaze recipe, a sketch of your next mug, or maybe that layering combo you've been eyeing? Your board is waiting. And before I go, thank you for using Glaizit. We're super excited that you're here. And if you've got any feedback or ideas for improvements, don't hold back. We'd love to hear from you. After all, Glaizit is all pottery, and pottery for all.